Hello everyone, welcome to Hula Juan. Ang reading na ito ay para sa sign of Libra. So, for the month of May 2024, Libra. Okay? Unahin po natin ang general forecast. Susundan ng career and money. Then relationships and love life. Tapos advice cards. Okay? So, welcome po kayong lahat dito sa Hula Juan. Ang goal ng channel nito ay magbigay ng gabay using light from above with loving intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. So, general forecast muna tayo, mga Libra. Page of Pentacles ang ang current energy ninyo. Page of Pentacles, it may mean that parang somehow nagkaroon kayo ng switch when it comes to how you are using your money or how you are spending your time. So, meron ditong mga realizations or meron ditong mga parang siguro parang noon parang wala kayong pakialam. Ngayon parang nagkaroon kayo ng somehow sort of realization na parang you need to somehow conserve things. Alam mo yun? Parang kung may learning na nangyari. Kung merong mga realizations, no? In the past, you have the High Priestess energy. The High Priestess is telling me na parang you followed your intuition and you followed kung ano yung sinasabi ng inyong gut feeling. So, for the month of May, meron kayong Five of Swords energy. Etong feeling na to para sa akin, parang somehow, ano ba to? Parang iniwan ba kayo sa ere or parang na-feel mong natalo ka? So, there is this feeling because eto nga may pinanggagalingan kang realization eh. So, merong feeling na parang paano to? Anong gagawin ko? Alam mo yun, parang you are trying to do something na mabago yung talo mo or yung kung paano nagbago yung iyong pagdating sa challenges mo right now or sa mga pinaggagawa mo ngayong maybe probably in the past few months, pero ngayon nga ginagawa mo na siya, nagkakaroon ka ng realizations. So, ano bang magiging advice sa'yo? You have the Knight of Swords in reverse. Kailangan mo maghinay-hinay, Libra. You have to be very conservative. Okay? Because ang pwedeng mangyari is the Knight of Cups in reverse. So, you may lose your confidence dahil masyado kang push ng push and parang hindi na pag-iisipan. So you have to think about the things na parang pagplanuhan muna. Kumbaga, kahit naman hindi ka masyadong magplano, pero wag ka masyadong push ng push. Kasi yun yung sinasabi ng card. Wag yung sobrang padalos-dalos. Wag yung sobrang kung ano-ano lang. Okay? So, punta na tayo sa career and money. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading na ito, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you are on YouTube, like and follow pag kayo naman ay nasa Facebook. Huwag niyo po kalimutan na i-share ito sa mga kilala ninyo na kailangan ng reading. Maliit na bagay lang po ito to support this channel para blessings lang umikot sa community natin. Alright? So, unahin natin ang iyong cards na Four of Cups energy ang nakikita kong current energies ninyo. Four of Cups, unahin natin, no? Ang dating kasi sa akin ito, hindi kayo masyadong pagdating sa work, no? Parang feeling nyo siguro kayo lang mag-isa or parang feeling niyo wala ba kayong katulong or parang feeling niyo parang mag-isa ka lang dito sa ginagawa mo eh. Hindi siya kahit minsan may mga taong around you, parang you somehow feel like nahihiwalay ka sa ibang tao or parang hindi ka makakonect sa ibang tao. Yun yung dating nito sa akin. Previously, you had the Sun energy, which is so good. Sana makuha mo pa din to. Sana madala mo pa rin to. Okay? Six of Pentacles. This energy na Six of Pentacles ay sinasabi sa'yo na parang you have to conserve your energy, you have to conserve your resources, and wag mo masyadong ibigay ang lahat. And you have to be doing things for yourself more pagdating sa career and money mo. Okay? Kasi nakikita ko yung opportunities na parang kailangan mong gawin yun eh. Okay? So you have the judgment in reverse as your advice for career and money. Ano ibig sabihin na to sa akin? Parang may feelings na dapat idire-diretso mo lang or ituloy mo lang kung ano yung mga ginawa mo. Huwag mo masyadong babaguhin. Just be on the safer side when it comes to your career mo. You just have to be more of kumbaga ang narinig ko is parang don't rock the boat. Kumbaga huwag ka gumawa ng issue. Huwag kang masyadong nagpapaka-bibo, huwag ka din masyadong sobrang, alam mo yon, sobrang under the radar. Kailangan sakto lang. Huwag mong babaguhin, huwag mong gagawan ng kung ano-ano. And huwag ka din masyadong, don't be quick to judge other people. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Okay? Huwag ka din sigurong huwag ka ding mag-conclude ng mga bagay. Okay? Kinukuha ko kasi kung ano yung mga dumadating eh. So, parang minsan nahihirapan akong ilabas sa words. So, ayun. Yun yung mga nakuha ko rito. King of Swords, ang pwede mong maging, ang potential na outcome ng career and money mo for May 2024. So, 2024 May, ang King of Swords, ang nagsinasabi sa akin dito is parang you will come across or you will be, kumbaga, kung hindi mo gagawin na sobrang OA yung mga actions mo, you will come out very victorious sa career and money mo. Kumbaga, safe ka lang. Kumbaga, wag ka masyadong wag masyadong magulo. Ganon. Kumbaga, walang ibang way how to describe this. Kumbaga, wag masyadong kalma lang. Okay na 'yun. Yun yung, at I think yun yung pinakatamang way to describe this is kalma ka lang. Okay? So, move tayo sa relationships or love life. Relationships and love life, it doesn't have to be your love life, but it can also be your relationships with other people around you. Can be your family, anybody else na may relationships ka. Friends can also be your relationships. Okay? So, you have the 8 of Wands energy. And this is telling me na parang ang bilis ng pangyayari. Anong meron ba? Ano bang nangyayari sa relationships ninyo ngayon? Hindi ko alam kung regardless kung saan to, kung love life to or family or kung ano man. Pero ang dami nangyayari and ikaw masyado ka ding mabilis. But I don't know if it's a negative or positive, but let's see. In the past, you have the 10 of Pentacles. You have the 10 of Pentacles. Parang feeling nito parang hindi masyadong pack yung mga situations. Kumbaga may pinanggalingan kang parang you wanted to improve. But for this month, nakikita ko yung Ace of Cups, and with this Ace of Cups, yung offer mo, yung gusto mong ibigay sa ibang tao, yung gusto mong maging parang energy na just giving people, just showing people kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, ano yung nasa loob mo, ano ba yung feelings mo, meron ka bang gustong pagmamahal na gustong ipagtapat, or meron ka bang parang gustong i-express na pakiramdam sa family mo or to somebody, no? So, yun yung nakikita ko dito, and I see that it's so pure na parang ang ganda-ganda nung energy, kasi bigla akong gumaan. Biglang gumaan yung feeling na to for me. And the advice for you is to be the King of Cups. Just be yourself. If you're feeling really full of love, if you really want to express this, you just have to do it. Okay? Because you have the 4 of Wands as your potential outcome. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Masaya. Pwedeng baka may magkaroon ng jowa, or pwedeng pwedeng may something na sobrang napakaganda Or kung meron naman na kayong relationships, baka yung mga relationships ninyo mas gaganda pa. You just really have to be yourself and show that loving you. Okay? Yun yung nakikita ko rito. Okay? So, kuha na tayo ng advice cards. Advice cards. So, meron po tayong 2024 forecast for your sign. Kung hindi nyo po yun napapanood, hanapin nyo lang po yun sa videos ko. Yun po ang gabay ninyo sa buong taon. Okay? This is the first card. And then, next card, advice card. Okay, ito yung gustong lumabas. And the last card. Okay, first card. Attracting, not chasing. Not anything or anyone you chase after will run the other way because of the fierce underlying chasing energy. Instead, attract what you need by sending out love, gratitude, and welcoming energy. In other words, kung ano yung binibigay mo sa ibang tao, ano yung nilalabas mong energy, yun din yung darating sa iyo. So always be, let's say, always be in that loving energy and ibigay mo lang yung mga magagandang energy sa ibang tao para yun din ang dumadating for you. Okay, summer, taking action, fruition, intellect. So, kailangan active ka, kailangan mong maging mas positive energy. Alam mo yun, parang may gusto kang mangyari, may gagawin ka because may gusto kang mangyaring may impact sa buhay mo. And with that, kailangan mo din ng intellect mo. Kumbaga, gagawin mo yun, may gagawin kang bagay is because you have that parang belief or goal na gusto mong marating. Okay? So, gratitude. Find just one thing that you feel grateful for right now and let that gratitude pour through your body. It's a healing balm, like the warmth of the sun. So, be very grateful, be very loving. Parang just have that in you na parang masaya ako, ito yung ganito, ito yung meron ko, I'm thankful, ganyan. Parang magbigay ka ng space and magbigay ka ng time na makita mo sa sarili mo ano ba yung mga dapat mong pagpasalamatan and just have that, iramdam mo yun sa, it's more than just realizing kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong pagpasalamatan, but ramdamin mo kung ano yung mga dapat mong pagpasalamatan. Okay? So, yan po ang forecast ninyo this month. Subscribe on YouTube and follow Hula Juan para every month may abangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intensyon. See you sa next reading.